Pretty sure. It's a GoPro guy. You can see yourself on YouTube.
Everybody's gonna be famous catching big redfish today. Yeah, beautiful Yankeetown. I want to try to net this fish. Reel that one in. That's a monster fish. Just keep the line tight. Make sure you reel fast. He's swimming at you. Alright, we got our big fish. What do we got? I think it's an overslot red. I hope he's a keeper.
26 and a half.
Yep, 26 and a half. There you go. That's a good fish. This is a big one. Oh, it's a big one. That's a big fish.
That bull?
It might be overslot the way he's fighting. I haven't seen him yet though. Oh, nice. He's a keeper. He's not that big. That's a small one. It's a good fighter though.
Oh, redfish? Yeah.
Yep. It's a small red.
They don't give up.
Nice 23 incher. Yeah, it's a 23-inch fish.
Perfect feeding.
Yep. They ate the mud minnow.
Nice.
Alright.
Good fish.
Wow, that's a nice one.
He took off when he grabbed it.
Oh, he did.
They love that. They love that mud minnows.
Sure did.
We're gonna put a new one on there. Oh, we don't have a scale to measure fish, do we? Oh shoot.
What about, I think the top of this ostrich might have one.
Oh, I didn't even think I know this is a keeper, but that sucks that we don't.
Yeah, there is.
But it only goes up to 20 inches, don't it?
Yeah,
Oh, that's good. At least we know they're over 18.
You can judge.
yeah, it's 20.
So,
it's 23.
so 20 to there
It's 23.
is 24.
24.
24. I knew they were going to be up there. That's right where he...
Checking.
Yep, that's a black drum or a nice redfish. I think you got a black drum. But isn't it crazy how close they are to the boat?
Yeah.
Same thing as yesterday. We're getting the drum right next to the boat. Nice 20-incher.
Lay it down.
Yeah, redfish would have swirled. That looks like a small black drum.
Good.
18, 20-incher.
Good eating.
You're making them look big.
No, actually it is.
Is it big?
It is, yeah. I mean, I don't want to lose it because I don't want to muscle it up. It's just sitting there.
Alright. It's coming closer. What the heck is that? Oh, you snagged a redfish.
Way to go, John.
You brought a redfish in sideways.
Good job.
Oh no, it's in his mouth. Yeah, yeah, he's close. He swallowed it. Never mind. You didn't snag him. He was just twisted. Oh, he's 20.
All right.
That's actually 21. That's a good fish. Good job, Johnny.
Sure.
21 and a 24. Got a fish?
Trying to stay in the same spot.
Looks like a redfish to me. Yep. Nice one. That's 3 keepers. That's a big one.
Ooh, wow.
Nice fish. Nice fish. Hey, look, everyone got to catch him. That's a big fish, dude. Nice.
Maybe overslot.
No, he's not over. That's a 25.
Nice.
That's a 25 all day.
Wow, that's a beautiful.
And a dolphin tried to eat him.
Yeah, I can see.
You see the dolphin scar?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad he didn't eat him.
Yeah, look, he's missing half his tail.
Dang.
He's been in a battle just to die by our hands.
He survived. Just for me.
Yep.
That's a fact.
Let's see how good our math skills are.
It's 20.
So 20 to here, right in front of the dot,
It's 24.
to 25.
25 with the
You
tail.
called it.
25, that's a 25-incher. Beautiful
Want to get a
redfish.
picture of it, Dad?
Yeah.
Sure.
That's pretty much instant, huh? That's a trout.
Yeah, fly.
Somebody's got a giant.
Back where you had it.
Like that.
Not stopping. We need to leave this rod in, don't we?
They're swimming at us really fast. I hope it's a big red. All right, just keep him off the boat. When he dies, keep him that way. Pull right. Yep, just keep him away from that motor. Let's hope for a giant redfish. All right, start lifting up. Just don't hit that swivel. Giant! Oh, it's a snook! It's a keeper snook. It's a keeper snook. Keep him off the motor. Go down. Put the rod in the water if you have to. Just don't hit that swivel. You're already up. Don't reel anymore. That's a keeper snook.
Man. Whoa. You didn't got the picture.
Nice fish.
Damn. Good job, Captain. That thing's huge.
Now we're gonna have to really do some measuring skills on that freaking cooler, huh?
It could be over, couldn't it?
No, he looks perfect. They can go up to 33. I think he's 32. I really wish. I mean, this is a slot fish. I can tell. He's perfect slot.
All right.
They're way better than redfish.
Any way you cook them?
We're gonna have to do some measuring, some real good skills here.
That's 20.
Alrighty, so 20 inches.
Up to.
Crap, that's kind of hard to see. We should like put a marker on them. 20 inches to right there.
Right to the tail, back tail.
My thumb. 13 inches. That's the 33-inch snook, and their slot is up to 33 inches.
27 to 33.
28 to 33.
Nice, man.
First cast of the mud minnow. Looks like a nice 21-inch, 22-inch redfish. He ate the mud minnow. He's right there.
Look what I got.
Is that a whiting? Nice. Oh, nice red.
Whitings are good.
That's the bottom of the slot red. About 19 inches. For a small one, he's decent size. He's got a little girth to him.
They're good eating.
How many dots are there?
I think they saw the yellow jig head.
Yeah.
I didn't catch a jack last time. I caught a whiting.
And maybe it's another whiting. Sometimes they school up. Just don't be a catfish. It's a whiting! I had that mud minnow out there a while. I was waiting for it to go. Oh, he's not not big.
No,
Don't worry about it.
Not bad.
A fighter, small one.
Little guy. What the heck?
I just had my hands on him.
He's tiny.
Give me 2 or 3.
This one's like 16, 15.
The hook barely got in him. Bye.
Nope.
That's a keeper trout. Go Johnny.
Yeah, buddy.
That's a nice slam.
Nice.
2-pound weight on this one. Maybe it's a jack.
It's a baby red.
Really? Baby there.
He's tiny.
Yeah, that's the one that stole my rod. Same size. I let my rod loose, helping my son, and my rod took off in the water.
One of these little guys.
Yeah, then half an hour later, I managed to fish it back.
It'd be nice if it was a whiting.
It sure would be. Sure would.
It is a whiting. Good one.
Wow, that's a nice size.
That's a good size whiting. Yeah, that's definitely, this is the better size ones.
Little shrimp.
Yep, little shrimp.
Nice.
That's a snook. Baby snook. That's what was been chasing all the bait, is that little snook right there. Fun little fish, aren't they?
Yeah.
They just grabbed it and took off.
That's a baby.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's a baby. Little-
Be 26.
That's a nice fish. A 21-inch snook.
Yeah,
That's what's chasing all the minnows up there. That's exactly what we've been watching all morning.
they're small little things.
Yeah, small snook chasing bait. That's what they do.
And they just come out and whack it.
Yeah, they hit hard.
Look, this 21 inches playing with me.
Yeah, it's a baby. Imagine the one he caught. Oh, there you go. They're fun fish.
Now you can take a picture. There you go. Not like, oh,
He's bigger than I thought he was. He's probably 23.
it's 20.
He's 20. Yeah, he's 23. Yeah.
23.
You want a little picture of him? Pour it under the belly. He freaks out if you don't support him. Yep, just like that.
There's my camera right there.
There you go.
Nice, Johnny.
Thank you. Okay, go.
God. Golly.
He's all quiet up here. All I hear is his drag running. I think he's got a redfish.
Small.
Baby red.
Maybe a trout.
That looks like a... It isn't... I don't know. It's popping like a trout, but it looks like a red. Got tiny redfish.
Still catching them.
You got your little miniature fish up here.
That's tiny.
It is. What the heck is that? Is that a big trout?
Yeah,
You got a big trout.
There's bait out there.
Yeah, there's a ton of bait. Yeah, big trout. Good job. That's a keeper.
Yeah. Good job, Jim. Thank you.
That's a nice.
That's a keeper trout. Look at the size.
Dang.
That's a big one. That's
Yeah.
like a 20 incher.
That-
He's probably
16 and a half.
15 and a half, yeah.
This is big. 7,
Almost 17. That's your
There
fish.
you go, John.
Don't lose
It's a
it.
drum.
That might be a black drum. No, that's a redfish.
Redfish.
That's a...
On the dead shrimp.
Yeah, I think it's a big red. Unless it's a huge drum. Drum aren't usually that big here.
What is
Come on this side of this. Oh, big red.
It's a red. I would if it's 26.
Keep him off the boat. Don't let him dive. It's a big red.
It's coming out yet?
It's a nice one.
Wow.
Try to keep him off the boat. Here, watch that rod. Come on this side of the seat.
It's on this side now.
He's out of the motor.
There it is. Big fish. On the lucky pole. Nice
Still
fish.
running.
That's a beast.
Maybe
And it's so flat calm right now. That's gorgeous.
It's over slot, I think.
Beautiful.
No, I don't think it is. I think it's 26. It doesn't look that big. That's a tournament fish. He's not that long. He's only 26 inches.
Beautiful. Nice.
That thing took it.
Way to go, Johnny.
You're getting a picture of this one.
Oh
He's
yeah.
a flat fish.
I think he's slot. He looks 26 to me.
Yeah.
Oh, buddy.
Perfect.
That's what I've been waiting all day to come here.
Man, he just took off on the dead shrimp. I remember I was gonna get a fresh shrimp, and remember I said I'd get a
So
fresh shrimp.
20 to there. He's 26 and a half. I measured him like, yeah, he's like, oh my God.
27.
It's almost there.
He's like 26.9.
Wow.
All right, so right
That's
there.
20.
Wow, it's 27 on the dot. 27-inch fish. Nope, got one more rod. There you go, under it. Come on this side so you can walk around. I think he's got a black drum.
Good.
Oh, it's a red.
They can't keep them. They hated throwing fish back. 10-pound cast line. Directly on the hook.
That's another 22-inch fish. We went all day to find these school of fish.
There's bigger ones.
Yeah, these are the ones that we usually catch.
They don't want to give up.
That's another 23-incher.
All right, man.
Man, that was fun. Yeah.
All right, toss them. Goodbye, redfish. That's a giant.
I've got to get back. Oh, what the heck?
Is it gone? No.
Yeah, he just lost it.
It got off.
Oh.
So you,
We got the school of redfish here. We could catch redfish till your arms fall off now.
I hope he didn't swallow it.
No, he's got, yeah, if we're releasing them all. He's going to your right. Start pulling left. Hold up here so you got a little more strength.
Yeah.
There you go.
No.
All right, good. There he is. He's fighting now.
So many.
See, this is how red fishing is supposed to be. When you get them schooled up, it could be every cast for 3 hours.
Get the lucky rod.
That's my favorite pole.
That's Shimano.
No, it's Daiwa.
Oh.
We'll be back.
But incoming tide is the best. It just now started.
We'll probably come here later in the afternoon.
Whoa, shoot.
They didn't like that net.
Yeah.
25.
It's another 23, 24 incher.
We'll be pissed off. That's his offering right
Is
Away.
that a 22 incher?
Yeah, you're a good guess. That's right what I was thinking.
Yeah.
22. He's not very big.
there.
I saw that. You had a fish on.
I know. I was waiting for it.
But this one did that too. He hit it 3 times. Just wait for him to come back.
Those are perfect eating though.
Yeah, these 22s. Beautiful
Nice,
fish.
Nice, nice.
It's got a heart tail. You want to take a picture of it? That's a rare fish right there. Look at that tail.
Wow.
It's got the perfect heart. Goodbye. That's a snook or a big redfish. He's going. Yep, that's a mud minnow again. It's gotta be a red if it's on the surface like that. It'd be cool to see another keeper snook.
It'd be nice.
Another snook would be nice.
I think it's a red. I see his tail. It's so nice when it's calm and the redfish swim on the surface like that. Yeah. Another beautiful redfish. Oh, we're about to head home. The redfish is still biting.
Where's my drum?
Just as it feels like it's starting to cool off a little bit.
Yeah, it's starting to actually feel better.
A little breeze.
That's a nice fish. Aren't they so strong? The redfish is tired. Most people would be happy with that one right there.
At least. They're nice size here.
Yeah, that's a big one. They're not as small like the ones down in Crystal River.
Yeah, yeah.
That's another top slot. I love how peaceful they are in this net. It's so much bigger than my other net. Like, nice and easy.
That's a nice fish.
Yeah, it is. That's a good one.
I'm gonna get another picture taken with him.
20,
24,
25.
25,
Pinch tail is 26.
26. All right. Good
Another
job.
26. Oh my goodness.
Top slot.
Nice.
Twist.
You got one?
There you go. Another 26-inch redfish.
Man.
Nice 26-inch redfish. There he goes.